Hey, good morning, guys. I wanted to come up and say thank you so much for all the support that I've been getting. I have received over 1,300 views on one of my recent videos that I did a day in the life similar to this video, and I'm so excited for all the content that I'm gonna have and create in the future. I have so much going on, so much coming up. I'm really enjoying creating content and learning how to make it better every single day. So just wanted to reach out. Thank you. And then with that, we're gonna continue the day. It is currently 5:22 and we're going to hit a chest and a shoulder workout. But before, we're gonna stretch. I'm gonna show you my stretching routine and my workout routine as well. How are you?
I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021. Gotta show him I can still rap though. Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I'll get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Just finished the workout, hit chest, I did a little bit of triceps too. Feeling good. Met a new friend, he does CPA and he's getting into real estate too, which is pretty cool. And honestly, slowly it's getting easier to record myself and just be more confident, trying to get newer shots and just different positions, and I'm really enjoying it. So I hope you're enjoying it too. Right now I'm gonna go home, get some protein in, and then take my fiance to school. She has finals, she's a law student. Gonna go to the office after this with the puppy probably, get some work done, and then come back home. Might go door knocking. I'm still a full-time real estate agent. This is my part-time job, kind of my hobby, and then we're gonna see what's gonna happen afterwards. So let's do it. So typically after I come back from the gym, I do 2 scoops of whey protein, which is about 50 grams of protein, and then after that I add into the bottle 5 grams of creatine every single day to get creatine into my body. And I think everybody should do it. Really helps with your brain functions, your joints, just muscles overall. But then my new habit, I just got this yesterday, is to take 1 teaspoon every morning of the Malibu honey. My fiance recommended this. It's amazing and it's really healthy too. To me, this is the little snack of the day, since I'm trying not to eat too much sugar, carbs, and just, you know, snacks overall that are unhealthy. But I just try to do 1 teaspoon. That's the good stuff. So in the past, I used to wear polos from Lululemon, but I found that they were not as nice. This is from Zara, pants are also from Zara, and these are pretty, casual shoes. So Bloomingdale's, yeah. This is my outfit, mainly every day. Change shirts, pants, but look professional and looks good. So I'm currently in my office here in Compass, San Diego, One Paseo, and what I love about this office is it has pretty huge windows from full floor to ceiling on the first floor, so I'm able to get to see all the restaurants and just people walking around, and also when it's sunny, I get to have the sun too. We also have a plant, that's where I usually work, that's where my partner works, and yeah, I'm gonna get some work done now.
Wait.
Are you excited? Not, are you excited for the food? How much is this bag right here?
$80 and it's
$80?
5 pounds.
Can you show me the bag?
Yeah. Hold on.
And why did you choose this company?
It's raw food and it's really healthy and it doesn't make our puppy's breath smell bad.
Interesting. I don't know much about food for puppies, but I do know it's very expensive and she's very healthy. So I was thinking about not doing door knocking today, but I am gonna go and give this beautiful flyer to all the neighbors nearby. I made a bunch of those copies, and that is basically one of the ways that I prospect and look for new clients and let them know that this is the market update. For example, right now, the average price in Carmel Valley is 2.13 million. 2 months ago, it was 2.6. So the market average price went down a little bit in Carmel Valley, but it's also really nice to say hi to the neighbors, let them know what their houses are worth right now, and also that the market is pretty competitive. But yeah, gonna do that, and then gonna come back home, edit this video, have some lunch / dinner, and then we're gonna have some Hanukkah event. I bought some, I'll show you guys. I bought some donuts that are currently in the freezer. They came from Israel, and today is the first day of Hanukkah, so we're gonna put the Hanukkah, we're gonna light it up with 2 candles and just have a good day. So whenever I go door knocking, I always try to pick somewhere that's pretty close to me. I am here currently in Pacific Heights Ranch, and all of these homes are about 2.5 million and up. They're pretty new. All of this is new construction. I live exactly, I would say, 1 minute away, less than half a mile away, and I have a lot of friends here and clients. So I'm gonna hand them personally a flyer about the market and update them. and at the same time I'm gonna listen to podcasts too. So we're preparing for Hanukkah, and I got us 2 custom sufganiyot. There's nothing inside, and there's some sugar powder on top, and this is our Hanukkah, and we're gonna light it up right now. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher קידשנו בית מצוותינו וציוונו להדליק נר חנוכה. ברוך אתה אדוני, אלוהינו מלך העולם, שעשה ניסים לאבותינו בימים ההם בזמן הזה. ברוך אתה אדוני, אלוהינו מלך העולם, שהחיינו וקיימנו והגענו לזמן הזה. אמן. Do you like Hanukkah? Why don't we try this now?
I thought you have to wait until it's done to eat.
No, it's already done. It's already like light. We can try now. Put it down?
You try first.
Okay.
You should eat yours before I eat it.
Is it that good?
Mm-hmm.